see how it's fairly windy right now. Cold front just came through, I believe. This one's expected to drop the temperatures down to possibly the mid to low 40s. Downtown, which is maybe around mid 40s, high 40s over here. So it's supposed to do that tonight, and I think maybe tomorrow. I think if I'm not mistaken, but I know tonight it might tonight into tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning, it's supposed to get really cold. And this is just the winds from the front right now. Looked at radar, and most of the rain is to our south, towards Brownsville, moving away from us. So, but this is what it looks like right now.